Hello and welcome back to the Horde of Opportunities after a very short break. Tag along with us to know in details about a competition, a workshop and a conference program, all designed to improve the society and hence the world. Are you innovative enough to use technology in school setting? Do you desire to tackle some of the biggest challenges in education using your innovation? If yes, then we are seeking your attention because Google for Education is bringing up a workshop named Certified Innovator Program 2018. What can you expect from this program? A 12-month-long professional development experience including mentorship, online learning activities and a scope for you to showcase your talent to the world. If all these things excite you enough, hurry up and register right now because the deadline is May 18, 2018. Besides education, there are many other social issues that require attention. So what can be a better way than making movies to highlight them? Our next opportunity is for movie makers across the world. An opportunity that comes with no eligibility requirements except that the genre of your 3 to 6 minutes short film should be related to child rights, women rights, human rights or disabled people. Grab your cameras, give life to amazing ideas and win exciting prizes, and who knows, your movies may also get screened at international conferences. If you don't want to miss this chance, apply before May 30, 2018. World population is another matter of concern when talking about development, and undoubtedly family planning is a key factor here. So keeping this in mind, the third opportunity in our list today is a fully funded international conference on family planning which is going to be held in Rwanda this November. Feeling curious? Here you will get the chance to network and learn from the experiences of many researchers and youth leaders around the globe. Want some more? Fully funded scholarships are also available, so hurry up and register because the last date is May 21st, 2018. To get more information about these opportunities, click on the links in the description below. Start using our mobile app to keep yourself updated regularly and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified about 3 global opportunities trending worldwide every week just by following our videos. And if this is not enough, don't forget to visit our website www.youtup.com.